Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to check send photos on in WhatsApp, and all we have to do is to launch our WhatsApp application. Then from here we're going to tap on the search, and then we're going to tap on photos just below it. From there we are going to tap on the search since we want to know or check the photos that we've sent. So we're going to type in our name. For mine is Joshua. As you can see, once you type in your name, you'll be able to see the photos that you have been sending to either your friends, family, or cousins, or even the family members. And as you can see from my end, I haven't been sending those photos, or I do not have any photos that I have sent to anyone for the time being. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.